Welcome to using the Pockit DOC on your Mac. First, pull out your Pockit DOC and attach it to the screen of your Mac. It'll just clip right on. Slide it in place. And when you're not using it, you can slide it to the right or the left. Just make sure when you're ready to use it again, you slide it right over to where your camera is. Okay, I'm ready to show them some stuff. So I need to go to my applications. I click Go, and I go down to Applications. Now I'm looking for Photo Booth. There it is, Photo Booth. This is going to ensure that my students see the image the correct way. Now I'm going to present. And I'm going to present a window. And of course, the window I'm going to present is going to be my photo booth. Once I am presenting my screen, I need to make sure I turn my camera off, so that way my students don't see the image backwards when they're viewing me as the teacher. This is what my students will see of me as I am presenting my screen. Right? Now that I'm getting ready to present, this is what my students are going to see. Oh, there's my hand. There's my keyboard, and all of the letters are facing the correct way. I'm going to go ahead and put on my folder, and I'm going to add some words here since I do teach first grade. Now, since this is a whiteboard, of course, I am able to write on it. So I'm going to get out my dry erase marker, and I'm going to write on the board for my students. And I'm going to write a message to them as well. Look how clear it is. And remember, this is just a mirror and a piece of plastic, but it is an awfully good solution to our document camera situation. There we go. Really great. Thank you for watching.